Hey there, welcome to this Photography for Beginners course. Do you want to take amazing photos but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of photography in the simplest way. Whether you have a DSLR, a mirrorless camera, or just a smartphone, these tips will help you improve your photography skills. Let's begin. First, let's understand your camera. No matter what device you're using, all cameras work in a similar way. Lens captures light and focuses on the subject. Some cameras allow you to change lenses for different styles of photography. Viewfinder and LCD screen shows what you're capturing. Modes and buttons. These control zoom, focus, and shooting settings. Now let's look at a quick, simple demonstration of adjusting camera settings. Great photos come from understanding three key settings: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Together, they control how bright and sharp your images look. Aperture, also known as f-stop, controls how much light enters the camera. A lower f number, like f/1.8, makes the background blurry, great for portraits. Meanwhile, a higher f number, like f11, keeps everything in focus, perfect for landscapes. Shutter speed controls how long light enters the camera. A fast shutter speed, like 1/1000th seconds, freezes motion, while a slow shutter speed, like 1/10 seconds, creates motion blur. ISO controls brightness. A low ISO, around 100, is best for bright places. A high ISO, like 1600, helps in dark places but may make the image grainy. Let's look at some side-by-side comparisons to make it visual and easy to understand. Now let's talk about composition. Even with a basic camera, good composition makes a photo look professional. The rule of thirds is simple. Imagine a grid with 9 equal parts. Place your subject at the intersections for a balanced look. Leading lines use roads, fences, or paths to guide the viewer's eye. Framing uses natural frames like doorways, windows, or trees to make the subject stand out. Finally, keep a minimal background to avoid clutter so the subject remains the focus. Here are some real-life examples of each rule. Lighting is the key to great photography. Even with a basic camera, proper lighting can make a huge difference. Golden hour is the best time to shoot, during sunrise or sunset, for soft, warm light. Avoid the strong midday sun to escape harsh shadows. Indoors, use lamps or soft light sources instead of the camera flash for better results. Let's look at different camera modes: auto, portrait, landscape, and manual. Photography is all about practice. Start by taking simple shots every day. Experiment with different settings, angles, and lighting. Over time, your skills will improve, and soon, you'll be taking amazing photos effortlessly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more photography tips. Now grab your camera and start clicking. Happy shooting!